Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this medical transport chair, and WHLICKS was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. The kids and I have been kind of playing around with this for the last few days, having fun with it. Probably not the greatest thing to do with a medical transport device, but that's what we've been doing. First things first, this right here, you just pop it off. That allows you to open everything up. It also allows you to keep everything stowed. You have your little footrest here. You're going to want to go ahead and fold that up out of the way. And then this just folds open really easy, just like that, and then locks into place. In order to unlock this little lever right here, you'll pull it, and then the same thing, you'll fold it back up. Boom, right there we go. Has your armrests right here. You just fold those down. It does have some nice brakes right here, and they do work really well, really solid. Speaking of solid, a nice weight capacity on this. I weigh like 270 pounds, and I was able to sit on this. However, I think the official weight capacity on this is less. I'll pop that up right there, whatever that happens to be. I just can't remember. And then these do also adjust. They have like two little locking mechanisms in here, so it's kind of weird to adjust them, but you'll unlock those, and then you push on these, and then it does allow you to push those up and down, almost like a two-person type thing there. I guess that's just to ensure that these do not move at all whenever you're moving whoever is in these around. But overall, this is really nice, really easy to use, really compact. So if you have a smaller vehicle, this is going to be fantastic. And boom, boom, we fold those up, pull this up, pull this up, pull this up, take our little things right here, fasten it back down. Here we go. And then last but not least, there is a little handle in here that you can reach and grab. Boom, right there. And then you can just easily wheel this around even whenever it's in the folded position. So if you're needing a nice medical transport chair, go ahead, check this one out from WHLICKS.